Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let us look at this problem related to 10th grade quadratic equations. There is a square field of side 44 meter. A square flower bed is prepared in its center, leaving a gravel path all round the flower bed. The total cost of laying the flower bed and graveling the path at a rate of 2.75 and 1.5 per square meter respectively is 4904. Find the width of the gravel path. So we have to find out what is the width of the gravel path. First we'll try to understand that the total cost of laying the flower bed and graveling the path is given by the rate into area respectively for the flower bed and the gravel path. That means we have to find out what is the area of the flower bed and what is the area of the gravel path. For that, let's write down. We know end to end 44 will take inside as x, then width of the gravel path will be 44 minus x divided by 2. Now first let's find out the areas. What is the concept we are going to use here? The concept we are going to use is total cost is equals to cost of laying the floor plus cost of graveling the path. That is what we need to understand. Now what is cost of laying? Let us understand that. Cost of laying the bed, flower bed, is rate into area. Let us say area 1. Area related to that. So let us say that is area 1. Okay, this is area 1. This is area 1. Next, what is the cost of graveling? Cost of graveling the path. That is again given by the rate and multiply that with area of 2. Now let's find out what is area of 1 and area of 2. So area 1 is actually area of flower bed. So we can write down area of flower bed is equals to, it's a square of x by x, x into x, that is equals to x square. Then what is the area of the path? You can see that area of path is difference of squares of side 44 and x. So we can write down 44 square minus x square, that is 1936 minus x square. Now let's go to the total cost. We'll write down, therefore area of flower bed, that is x square, into what is the rate for the flower bed? 2.75 plus cost of graveling is given by area of the path, that is 1936 minus x square, and that we have to multiply with 1.50, and this is equals to 4904. Let us simplify this. We'll have 2.75 x square plus 1936 into 1.5, that is 2904, minus 1.5 x square equals to 4904. When we simplify, we will have 1.25 x square equals to 2000. Simplified further, we will get x square equals to 1600. That means x equals to 40 meters. So we got x is equals to 40 meters. So you can write down this is equals to 40 meters. Total is 44, x is 40. So the width of the graveling path will be, therefore width of the path is given by this formula what we have written, 44 minus 40 divided by 2, because this is one width and this is another width, so we have to divide by 2. 44 minus 40 by 2, that is equals to 2 meters.